Hello lovely YouTubers, and tonight we have a strange Sunday dinner. And we've got tuna pasta bake from Marks and Spencer's. We're going to try it. It's going to be in the microwave. And it's responsibly sourced tuna with bechamel, whatever that is, and tomato sauce and cheese. Meal for one. And it's also freezable. You get 3 of these for £10 with a little selection. They've got other things as well. Ingredients: cooked pasta, wheat, salami, water, tomatoes, whole milk, tuna fish, extra mature cheddar cheese, milk, rapeseed oil, corn flour, onions, mature cheddar cheese. Did I say cheddar? Said cheddar twice. Milk again, garlic, puree, salt, basil, oregano, ground spices, coarse black pepper, white pepper, nutmeg, and ground bay leaf. So it sounds quite tasty, doesn't it? And this takes 25 minutes in the oven. For best results, you can air fry it for 25 minutes, or you can nuke it in the microwave for 3 minutes 30 seconds. Let's give that a go. There we go, and magically it's all cooked. So I've let this cool down for a minute because it was like 1,000,000 degrees when I got it out of the microwave. I think I'd recommend letting it cool down as well to save burning yourself. Let's have a little taste of it. Doesn't look over appetising, but I'm sure it'd look nice if you've done it in the oven. And a little mix. One little mixture. Let's go have a little mixture. It smells quite tasty. Let's see if I can get a tuna pasta bake from Aldi's or somewhere else on the next go, and we can compare them. He's going to absolutely kill me when I taste this. Well, it's a lot better than you get at the shelter. A better portion of it as well, but honest with you, you didn't get very big portions of the shelter, so thumbs up from me. It just costed me money, which I haven't got at the moment. Love, people.